Tikka masala. Who's pumped? If you guys are enjoying this content, don't forget to like this content here. Also, click on the bell. Be a part of the notification. It's been craving tikka masala for quite some time. Well, I had it on my ASMR channel. If you guys have not subscribed yet, check out my ASMR channel. I've been eating tikka masala on the down low. And I just want to recreate this, guys. I don't want to go buy it no more. I just want to recreate it. Let me show you my twist and take on tikka masala. Let me try to get it as close as I can from that time I had it at that restaurant. Don't blink. Let's start off like this, guy. One whole chicken. So I showed you guys how to cut a chicken. So I'm just gonna pass through this quick time, guys, because I'm hungry. Look at that beautiful chicken ass, guys. You can't beat that. So what I'm gonna do with this, guys, is debone this. So take a paring knife. This is how you debone dark meat. Take a paring knife. You got your drum. Make sure your paring knife is very sharp. I'm gonna cut around this little knuckle here. Once you got that nice and cut it out, just look for the fattest part right here. This is the fattest part. We're just gonna slice down. Once you got that nice and sliced down, nothing to it. Push all the meat down, like that. Cut around that knuckle there. And that dark drum meat will release. For the thighs, that's how you do it, guys. Flatten it out. You're gonna take your paring knife, go right into the middle, guys. Scrape right into the middle, guys. Once you got that nice and scraped, take that knuckle around there, and we're just gonna trim around that knuckle. Once the meat gets released from that knuckle, all we do now, sharp side down, scrape down the meat, guys. Once you get around the bottom knuckle, just cut around that knuckle. There it is, dark meat, skin. What we're gonna do now, take our breast and slice it down to strips. Cubes. So once you got your whole chicken, cut it up. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm going with some pepper. 1 tablespoon of garlic, half a teaspoon of turmeric, teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, tablespoon of cayenne pepper, tablespoon of smoked paprika. Lastly, I got half a cup of yogurt. Take your beautiful clean hand, get into it, guys. Get into every crack. Once you got that nice and mixed together, we're gonna let this marinate for 2 to 3 hours. As we wait for our chicken to marinate, let's make some naan. So I got 3 cups of flour going in, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of salt and sugar. I'm gonna give this a mix. I'm gonna make a well. 2 tablespoons of olive oil going in, 1 cup of yogurt. I'm gonna mix that in. Just like our pasta, guys. Mix and pull in the flour, mix and pull in the flour. Once your dough gets crumbly like this, I'm gonna slowly add in 1 tablespoon of water while kneading this together. So I'm gonna add another tablespoon, and I think this is perfect. All we're looking for, guys, come on, we all know this, is a nice semi-hard dough. Always look for a nice semi-hard dough when making naan. Once you got your dough nice and smooth like this, guys, into the fridge for 30 minutes for it to rest. Watch carefully. I'm a professional, so don't try this at home. All we're gonna do, karate chop this into 8 I can teach you guys this technique, but some of you guys are reckless and I'm not even sure if I should teach you, just because this karate chop isn't something to play around with, guys. I'm gonna roll this as thin as possible. You got your naan nice and rolled out. We're gonna kick it old school, guys, just because we don't have that clay oven. I'm just gonna do 1 teaspoon of oil, nothing to it. We're gonna pan fry this. Cooking time, 30 seconds on each side. 30 seconds up, flip it, guys. There's your beautiful naan. Your naan complete on my non-stick pan. Time to lit up your whole neighborhood with the smell of India. I'm not even joking, guys. So half a cup of olive oil going in. We got cinnamon, 3 cardamom seeds, teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 cups of red onions. All I'm about to do, guys, is caramelize this. I'm going with 1 tablespoon of garlic. I'm also gonna throw in 1 tablespoon of sugar just to help this onion caramelize. Onions caramelize, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste going in, 1 whole can of puree tomatoes. I'm gonna go in with 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of ground coriander, salt, pepper. I'm gonna dump in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. This is your tikka masala sauce. Heat's on a low. All I'm gonna do is take my spoon, taste it, guys. If it needs more seasoning, add more seasoning. So salt, pepper. Don't be scared to add a little sugar in as well, just because the tomato can might be a little tart. Always taste and adjust for your own liking. Once you got it seasoned to your own liking, guys, all we're gonna do, take this sauce, slide to the side, take my saucepan, take my marinated chicken that has been marinating for about 2 hours, pour into the pan, guys. Saute chicken until cooked. Once your chicken gets nice and sauteed, everybody in the pool, I don't care who can swim, just get it. Stir in that goodness. You know this is gonna be good. Time to plate this, guys. So, tikka masala onto our plate. I'm so pumped for this. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna toss it onto my bigger plate, slide this over, take my naan. Lastly, some fresh cilantro. That's it. Nice, simple tikka masala recipe right there, guys. Let's just jump into this, guys. Tikka masala. Who's pumped? I got the fresh naan. All I'm gonna do, yeah, here, take the first bite of this. Just a piece of that naan. It's got it. Nice. Pumped. You can't go wrong with fresh naan. And take this. I'm gonna scoop this up with my naan here. Guys, open up. Take the first bite of this. Wait, a little cilantro on there too. Get that extra flavor. Tikka masala. Quick time. That's got it. Nice. I'm super pumped. You guys gotta try this. I'll say identical. Identical to the one I tried. I think it was last week. This is what's up. This is the most beautifulest thing ever. No more going out and buying it. I'm sorry. You guys stay home and make this. What's nice about this dish is that the yogurt and the tomato sauce acts like a meat tenderizer because of the acid in there. So the longer it sits, the tender this chicken will be. Wow. Just perfect. After a whole week of pasta, it's so nice having something new. Mmm. This is deadly good. I believe this dish is, I want to say India, but I was told it was origin in England. Wow. Wherever it is, whoever did it first, it has to be the best collaboration I have ever seen. Wow. I was gonna do basmati, but I didn't feel like it. Simple as that. Mmm. That's beautiful. I like that mixture of dark meat and white meat and some of that skin in there too. Mm-hmm. You seen it here first. Wow. Alright, just another bite. I wish I can eat this all. It's all about balance, guys. It's all about balancing everything. The process of just caramelizing the onions takes this dish to a whole new level, guys. So when you guys make this dish, make sure, guys, you caramelize the onions. Caramelize the onions and toast the spices. It goes such a long way, guys. It's that little detail in this dish that makes this dish so awesome. Alright, I said no more. Life's such a beautiful thing, don't you think? Hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, don't forget to pick up on your bomb shirts. Like to share this.